Hi, this is Gina at Positivity Past 50. We're in Sedona. We're ready for our day one of hiking. We're at Bell Rock and Cathedral Butte, I think it's called. If I'm wrong, I'll fix that in the title. Right now I don't have my paperwork out. So this is supposed to be a 3-hour hike. We thought we were cool till this guy pulled up, and we're not cool anymore. No, we never thought we were cool anyways. Again, I want to say thank you for tuning in to this hike. So we picked this hike because we knew it would be a great introduction to Sedona. It is about 4.2 to 4.5 miles in this loop, and it has iconic scenery from Sedona. Bell Rock Climb, Bell Rock Pathway, phone. And so this hike, we did the clockwise version so that we could do Courthouse Butte and the Bell Rock. But most people stay near the Bell Rock Scramble. So doing the full loop gives you this quieter, peaceful stretch so you can kind of be as silly as you want. Have it kind of all to yourself. As you will notice, you're not really seeing anybody else on the trail. We found this trail to be very well marked, and I read on All Trails that some people had a little trouble staying on the path. I don't see how you can mess this up. As you can see, the pathways are beautifully marked, lined with fencing. I had no trouble at all. So when we arrived at the parking lot, there was plenty of spots. However, when we were finished 3 hours later on this hike, the parking lot filled up. So take that into consideration, and also don't forget your red rock pass. You will need it. If you don't have one already, you can purchase one in the parking lot at the vending machine. Another great point about this hike, it has a low elevation plus high reward. The elevation gain is only 350 to 400 feet, and so it makes it very friendly for families and those who want to kind of take it easy but still get these great desert views. Having trouble with my cold fingers. It's 57 degrees. I try to hit the record button and don't hit the record button, and I hit stop and then it starts recording. I think it has to do with my fingers. But it's going to be 70 degrees, so we're wearing layers up at the top and we have shorts on. And so I think it'll be good once it warms up. We're into the sun now. I hope my hands warm up. I do have some hot hands and some gloves. I just don't want to get them out. Another plus about this hike is you get different terrains, from smooth paths to rocky beds like this. And you get these wonderful 360 views in all the directions, so that you do not have to just climb up to a certain spot like on Devil's Bridge to get your view. You have views the entire time, which are amazing. Like I said, we decided to do this hike clockwise, but you don't even have to do the full loop. You can shorten it, and you can also connect to other scenic spurs. So that is another reason it makes it so friendly for beginners, and also you can do things to make it great for experienced hikers as well.
Mines, Mountain Wilderness.
Bell Rock Pathway. We're on the Bell Rock Pathway. So as I mentioned, this hiking trip is in the month of October during my fall break from teaching. And so as you can kind of see, I believe if you took this hike in the summer, you could probably get very hot. You can tell that there is no cover. It's very exposed. So that's another thing you might want to take into consideration. As I am from Tennessee, we are always so fascinated by all the flowers and trees and things like this that the desert provides. I was hoping to find a little animal in there, but also keep my distance. Just look how gorgeous the trail is right through the trees here. It's just so beautiful here. The elevation gain here is around 340 feet, so this is considered to us a kind of an easy trail. There's not much. No comments from the peanut gallery back there. We've been on worse. Look up Walter's Wiggles if you want to know worse. That's in Zion. So this is really nice. So the jackets have come off. So now it's perfect hiking weather because we're in shorts. I do have a t-shirt underneath the long sleeve, but it's definitely not coat weather anymore. That does that. This is called the ocotillo plant. I looked it up with my phone app. Gorgeous view. Look how tall they are. Bicycles. This is one of my favorite parts where Keith noticed the reflection in the water. It made a gorgeous picture for me for my camera roll. You just cannot take a bad picture in this area. It's gorgeous all the way around. Had to stop for a little snack. Some chomps. And this is one of my favorite stretches of this trail that I found because the sun going across Courthouse Butte just really brought out those beautiful red rocks. In just a moment, you're going to be able to see some people going up the Bell Rock Scramble that I read about later after I had left. So this might be something you might want to investigate. We've now been hiking for, let me look at my watch. Hold on. 2 hours. Maybe over 2 hours because I think my watch pauses. We've gone 3¼ miles. I think my watch pauses when I stop, yes. We are practically back to the parking spot. Yep, we're back at the starting point. We're now finished. How long do you think we've been hiking? 8 hours at least. Well, my phone said, my watch seems to say like 2 hours. Mr. Drama. So this is the path on the way back to the parking lot. All right, let's look at the parking situation. Because when we got here, there were still quite a few spots available. It's kind of medium full. Don't forget your Red Rock Pass. If you do forget your Red Rock Pass, there is a vending machine here that you can use. People are parking on the sides already. Yeah, it looks like all the spots are taken. There's your vending machine. There you go. There's your prices. I assume it's working. It does have places where you do not park. It says no parking between the signs. So these people are okay. Got a picnic table over there. Yeah, it's full now. That's why you need to just go ahead and get up early and come on out. So we are ending our hike from Cathedral Rock around Bell tower. I think it's called Bell Tower. There's the restroom facilities. There's Bell Tower. Cathedral Rock is behind me. And so we had a great hike. It was about 3 hours or just under. Trying to get away from people. It was a really good hike, especially in the morning. It's just now heating up. It's going to be about 70. I really don't know what it would be like if we came in during the summer. Probably really hot. So coming in the fall, it's perfect weather. I have a long sleeve shirt. I could have taken that off. I wanted to take it off a couple of times, but I just pressed on and didn't do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Gina from Positivity Past 50. Thank you. If you feel so generous to subscribe, that would be wonderful. I appreciate you and hope to see you again.